Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this wonderful Ford Puma 1 litre turbo EcoBoost Titanium. Now this vehicle has currently done 42,900 miles and it's finished in the colour agate black. It's a very stylish looking small SUV that comes equipped with some great features. It does sit nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 456 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,216 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior. It features ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving to your front seats, and there's plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your steering wheel to the left you have your cruise control, which is perfect for motorway journeys. To the right you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. On this display you've got a digital speedometer, there's access to your driver assist display and your different settings. There's pre-collision assist, lane keeping system and your wrong way alert to keep you safe and secure while you're on the go. There's also access to your navigation, audio and telephone menus, and of course your driving data in the trip computer. Centered in the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB inputs and Bluetooth audio. In your phone menu you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system has navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You've got your mobile apps. The system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can keep well connected, making hands-free phone calls and texts and accessing compatible applications on the touchscreen. In your settings here you've got access to vehicle and system settings. This Puma does come with massaging front seats to keep you nice and comfortable, especially on longer journeys. It reduces fatigue. It's a perfect feature to have. This Puma also comes with rear parking sensors, making reversing much easier. Below from your display you'll find your automatic climate control, which is nice and simple to use. You do have a wireless phone charger. There's also a 12-volt socket and USB inputs so you can easily charge your device up. There's a 6-speed manual gear selector here in the center console. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.